Having trouble calibrating the EasyBender due to lack of information? Are you always in need of increased accuracy to get the bender ready for challenging dies? This is the EasyBender VCS, and it's an automatic vision calibration system for the EasyBender series. EasyBender VCS is a camera-based automatic vision calibration system. No need to dig into an old manual. Angles and arcs data can be adjusted and updated in the nick of time. EasyBender VCS is a proprietary system developed by SDS. It's an intuitive and easy-to-install standalone unit that can be set up with any EasyBender manufactured after 1999. EasyBender VCS is exceptionally fast and accurate. The angles and arcs pieces will be measured and updated in seconds when a batch of bent pieces is placed in the system. The smart algorithm of EasyB software finishes the entire calibration process in a few clicks of a button. EasyBender VCS can save you time and increase the productivities of EasyBender. Regardless of rule thickness, height, and bevel type, EasyBender VCS is designed to calibrate the rule for you to minimize the downtime and maximize the productivity of EasyBender. Cutting rules require constant calibration over a period of time. EasyBender VCS is designed to accelerate the calibration process to maximize the efficiency of EasyBender. EasyBender VCS will reduce the time spent on calibration by more than 1/10. Die makers would not be required to use their manual tools with EasyBender VCS. EasyBender VCS lets users be free from calibration. EasyBender VCS is designed to move around the shop with its built-in casters to maximize productivity for those who have more than one EasyBender. EasyBender VCS is compatible with any EasyBender. It will always get you the pieces you want with new or existing EasyBenders. Trusted for over 30 years by thousands of die makers worldwide,